In this video, I'd like to talk about the security of concrete statues. Statues can make a wonderful addition to your landscaping. But here's the problem. If it can be picked up, it can be stolen. So, let's do something about it. To accomplish this, we're going to use this remarkable tool. It's called a roto hammer. Basically, it's a drill that pounds on the bit as it's turning. They use a special, rather expensive bit to accomplish the drilling. Before I drill, I always buy a brand new bit. This is because the bit will be sharp and there's less chance of damaging the statue. I use a piece of tape to mark how deep I'm going to drill. Run the bit in and out a couple times to clean the hole out. Now, let's mix up a real small batch of mortar. This is easily done using a concrete trowel and a small spray bottle full of water. Start out by putting a small amount of mortar into the hole. You don't want to fill it all the way up. Use a lag bolt to push the mortar all the way into the hole. Keep adding mortar a little bit at a time until you start feeling a little bit of friction as you slide the bolt into the statue. Once you feel friction, spin the lag bolt a couple times to work the mortar into the threads. Then add a little more mortar around the base to make it look pretty. Now we want to take a security cable and make loops on both ends of it. Slide the cable through a cable ferrule or wire rope sleeve. They actually make a special crimper for this sleeve. But if you don't have one, you can fall back on the tried and true universal crimper, a 3-pound sledgehammer. Now, out in the place where you're going to be mounting your statue, find a structure that's relatively permanent. Here's a post mounted in concrete. Drill a hole and mount another lag bolt. It'd be a good idea if the eye of the lag bolt was only large enough to allow the hasp of the padlock through. That way somebody can't get a screwdriver in there and try to pry it open. Now, to prevent someone from unscrewing your eye bolt, pound 2 nails in next to the lag bolt. You want to install them so the lag bolt cannot be turned in a counterclockwise direction. And if you feel like going overboard, weld the nails to the lag bolt. You'll use 2 padlocks, one for the cable to the statue, and the other to the lag bolt and the post. Finally, you want to hide the cable. Twist the cable into some loops and then bury it in the gravel. When viewed from the street, all these security measures aren't even visible. Well, thanks for watching.